What up, guys? This is Badger with Gangbuster Models, and I wanted to make another update. Just coming together pretty good. Pretty good. Been gangbusting it out. Working on it pretty hardcore about every day. Because you guys know how it goes. With me, once I get rolling, I just keep on going. But I got a few little things to do. Parts pile is getting pretty small. Don't have too much left. But yeah, the thing about this Mobius kit is everything goes together. It's just kind of, I had to think about some things and kind of wait and not do it exactly in the order they wanted, like hold off on mounting all the exhaust and everything until I had the cab pretty much lined up, and the radiator assembly too. Just kind of like wait until your frame is all done and then put that thing in there. But yeah, I still got a little bit left. All the mounting for the bumpers and everything, and all the mounting for the hood, and finish the lights, and then decals, and then fine detailing and stuff like that. I didn't wire anything on the motor or anything. I just did some kind of detail painting in there a little bit. Said so, and it's still drying. But I got the cab all done. I think it turned out pretty good. So I still have to do some little stuff. The window in there you can see in. And the pain in the butt thing is this back piece, because this plate kind of holds the sides together. And I pretty much had to set it on its side. This is the third time I glued it together. And hopefully she holds this time. But yeah, those bottom two tabs on each side, you just kind of gotta hold it together and not over glue it and hope that it sticks. I don't think that bottom one stuck. But if they don't stick, then it just flops open and then the cab will just fall out. But yeah, anyways, I'm getting closer. I am thinking about, if I get this knocked out in the next couple of days, doing the reefer trailer for this kit also, but we'll see. And I probably won't be able to do it in this color, but I'll get it close enough, because I ran out of that paint on this and I didn't know exactly what paint it was. So, but we'll see if that happens. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, guys, this is Badger Gangbuster Models, and keep them rolling.